guys, today I'm going to be doing cats versus water. So I put a treat into a bowl of water and I saw what they did, and Miss P didn't really do anything. She tried it once, but Skunky did most of the things. So yeah, Skunky is just sniffing it, and now he's trying to lick it. What's he doing? Just looking at it. Oh, he's trying to get his paw in it. Oh no, he got his paw wet. He got his paw wet. Oh, his poor little paw. Got it wet. Okay, guys, that's mainly all that happened. But I'm just gonna let you enjoy the rest of the video. Yeah.